took first and scored against the Netherlands in the World Cup quarterfinal in 2022. He took first and scored in the World Cup final against France. Both times he just strolled up laconically, waited for the goalkeeper to roll the wrong way and rolled it the opposite direction. What will he do now at 37 years old? 108 goals for Argentina in 185 appearances. Nothing left to achieve, nothing left to win, but he still wants more. His team need him as they start this shootout. It is Lionel Messi, and he chipped it off the bar, onto the roof. He missed. Incredible.
Hey, bilmiyorum. Bir de soru sana. Kalın bir yerler yapalım isterseniz.
It was again the calm run-up at the clip, but this time he put too much underneath it. Instead of rolling it on the deck like he did twice in the World Cup, he clipped it up in the air and put too much air under it. Early advantage to Ecuador. Can they capitalize? It's going to help Mena to step up first for them. Now Argentina need Emi Martinez. Mena. Martinez. He does it again.
Emi Martinez. Messi apa itu sampingnya masih ada teman-teman yang asing.
He read Mena like a book. Went the right way. It's at a comfortable height. Still a good save. Argentina right back in it. Now Julian Alvarez. Hasn't scored in his last 16 appearances. And scores here. Dominguez went the right way, but Alvarez. 1-0 Argentina in the shootout. Can't take them much better than that. Anything less than perfect, and Dominguez would have saved it. Alan Minda next for Ecuador. Scored against Jamaica from open play. Very different scenario here. Minda versus Martinez. Martinez again.
Hey, shoot it off.
Went right. Saved it with his left. And then did the dance. Those in Albi Celeste dancing along with him so far. 1-0 Argentina through 2 frames. Now Alexis McAllister. One of the underrated parts of this team's spine. And he slams it into the corner. 2-0 Argentina.
India video goal আর আগে video খাইছে even McAllister the বাইরে গেছে
Prayers were answered, at least from their standpoint. Another perfect penalty, side netting. Opened up his body and sent the keeper the wrong way. Well, it's not completely a must-make for Ecuador, but it basically is. It's John Yeboah who steps up. He assisted their equalizing goal late, and he keeps them in it here. Great penalty, 2-1 after 3 frames.
তিনটে একটা
It's almost too much for some.
নাম করে
This
একটা
time
মিস না দিলে
Martinez went the wrong way. Wouldn't have mattered. Gonzalo Montiel scored the World Cup winning penalty in 2022. Then he scored the Europa Cup winning
লাস্ট
penalty
প্ল্যানটি ট্রাই করছি
in 2023.
যদি একটা গেম নিয়ে দেখুন দেখেন
Montiel scores another one here. The penalty king put on right before the full-time whistle just to take that penalty. Rewards Lionel Scaloni for that decision. Argentina out of the semi-final.
খেলার আগে এগুলোই বিক্রি ভাবতে পারে
Lionel Messi, very relieved man so far.
মেসি বললে হলে আমরা যুক্ত
Ecuador have to make this. It's basically triple match point for Argentina in tennis terms. They would have to miss their last Ecuador to make their last two in order to force extra frames. Jorge Caicedo on
এটা
the late
বাজারে দেখছে
substitute.
আর আর্জেন্টিনা 100 একটা
Caicedo has to score. He does. Just barely. Martinez got something on it. Couldn't keep it out. 3-2. Felix Sanchez. His side. And that man, their hopes still alive by a thread. Let's see how close Emi Martinez came to getting this. Not the right way. Just came off the top of his left knee, didn't it? But now, a chance to win it for Nico Otamendi, 36 years old. Second most senior member of this squad behind Lionel Messi. Otamendi to send them to the semifinals. He does! Argentina prevail. Pushed to the absolute brink by Ecuador, but the champions do enough. And they
এইগুলো
go to the
আর্জেন্টিনা
Copa
বললে
America
আর এইগুলো
semifinals.
আর্জেন্টিনা কোনো আছে করবে না আজকে রিভিউ করছে না আর কোনো আছে করবে না এলাম ঠিক মাত্র ঠিক করতে দিচ্ছি না হ্যাঁ
সেমিফাইনালে গেল না
আজকে সবাই খারাপ বলতে দিয়েছিল মেসি নিতে যাওয়া
এই ম্যাচটাতে একবার সবচেয়ে বেশি অবদান আর
Emi Martinez is a shootout hero again, saving those first two penalties. Nicolas
বেশি
Otamendi,
আওয়াজে মেসি গোল মিস করে
another who came on late.
এসে তোমার দিকে
And Lionel Messi,
কোনো প্ল্যান
relieved. It does not turn out like the 2016 final in the Copa America Centenario in the United States, where Messi missed early in that shootout and his teammates couldn't prevail. This time, they did. Otamendi slamming it into the corner. Another perfect penalty. Again, Dominguez went the right way. Couldn't do anything about it. Not reaching that. And even though Messi missed, Argentina's overall experience in these situations showed over the rest of the shootout. And Lionel Scaloni, a subdued celebration. Kiss planted forcefully on his cheek. He knows his team will have to improve a lot in the semifinal.
এবারে ফাউল খাইছে প্রচুর
But again, they made it work tonight. It's the mark of champions. They hope it's the mark of a future repeat champion. Heartbreak. Lionel Scaloni, a subdued celebration.
কামনা
Kiss
করছি
planted forcefully on his cheek. He knows his team will have to improve a lot in the semifinal. But again, they made it work tonight. It's the mark of champions.
কামনা করছি
They hope it's the mark of a future repeat champion. Heartbreak for Ecuador, who so much tonight, got the late equalizer that they probably deserved, and then they had the chance to win it late, and it was that man who had the chance. It's an agonizing end to the night for Jordi Caicedo, who missed that opportunity in the final minute of stoppage time, that free header on the penalty spot, and then had his penalty go in the shootout, but